Sometimes growing up in the city, you forget that there's this incredible world outside the urban sprawl. You become trapped in, a robot, and sometimes you forget about the simple things in life. But that's not what I wanted to be. I had just turned 27, I was homeless, jobless, single, but even so, it was the happiest I've ever been because I had nothing holding me back from pursuing the life I had always dreamed of. I wanted to be a creature of this world, so that is what I became. My name is Karen Fulton, and I run my fashion label Zipporra from my van on the road.
Want to be the voice to your favorite song. Favorite song. If I can give you all my love, would you still ask for more? Would you let me go? Go my own way, go my own way. Would you let me know if I'm too far away, too far away? Would you let me go? Go my own way, go my own way. Would you let me know if I'm too far away, too far away?
I love using the art form of fashion design to tell a story for Mother Nature, to shed light in a loving way on environmental and social issues. Now I have the freedom to create and to explore the greatest teacher, healer, and inspiration of this world, Mother Nature.
Would you still dance with me if you could get my heart for free? My heart for free. But you know I'm coming back, so don't let this fall through the cracks. Through the cracks. Would you let me go? Go my own way, go my own way. Would you let me know if I'm too far away, too far away? Would you let me go? Go my own way, go my own way. Would you let me know if I'm too far away, too far away? Would you let me?
The Zipporra collections are not only inspired by nature, but all come with a message to protect and conserve her. Each piece is hand sewn on the road, so who knows where your garment has been created and what sites of Australia it has seen. My biggest accomplishment so far is definitely learning how to drive a manual van. My next big feat will hopefully be sourcing all of my energy for sewing from the sun, one step closer to making Zipporra as close to 100% sustainable as possible. Zipporra is meant to be worn outside, in the great outdoors. It is for the explorers, the adventurers, and the creatures of this world.
Would you let me go? Would you let me know if I'm too far away, too far away? Would you let me go? Go my own way, go my own way. Would you let me know if I'm too far away, too far away? Would you let me go? Go my own way, go my own way. Would you let me know if I'm too far away, too far away?
Zipporra. So what kind of creature are you?